This is mind-blowing. What a great idea to make money online. I was blown away when I discovered this magnificent idea, a worldwide small business plan that will work for anyone searching to make money online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and the second part that I will link in the end screen of this video. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. I know that you already know about this platform, Fiverr, but this method is for serious people. If you want to make real money and not just $5, so first of all, go to a video and animation and go to the sidebar here and click on short video ads, or you can find it here on short video ads. Okay, so just click on it and let me show you what you're gonna see. So once you click on short video ad, this is what you're gonna see, YouTube or something like that. So you don't have to click on any of this. Just take a look at this, guys. Okay, just take a look at this. There are people freelancing and making short video ads on Fiverr. Okay, not a lot of people make those kinds of videos or providing this kind of service. So this is a narrow area with low competition and high payout, and there is a lot of money to be made. That if you're so lazy to follow these simple steps that I'm going to share with you. So what you have to do is to produce a short video ad, and I know that you're thinking of equipment and all of those super expensive cameras and editing software and a long learning curve, but believe me, you don't need all of that. So how can you make short of video ads? How can you make like this $95, $40, $25, $65, $190, yeah, whatever, $300 here? All you have to do is to follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so let me show you an example. So this is an example of a video ad. This is how it looks like. So are you seeing this? This is actually just a compilation of stock videos. You can do this yourself. You can do this yourself, or you can just go and find a website that will give you some videos like this and you can just sell them. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so this is a short video ad. This is actually a compilation of stock video, guys. So are you seeing how much money you can make? This is insane. I'm going to show you right now the first strategy to make those kinds of short videos, but always remember that you have to start small and build an influence and a good reputation to start getting consistent orders. And this is what I'm gonna cover in the second part alongside with the second strategy. So I'm going to show you the two websites that I'm talking about right now where you can get ad videos for a cheap cost. So the first one is Biteable. So this is Biteable. This website gives you the ability to download ads and also use those ads on your Fiverr gig. Okay, you can sell them. You can just edit an already existing ad and edit it yourself and put it in the Fiverr. You can edit the text, you can edit the images, you can edit everything. Okay, and there are a lot of types here. If you want to promote a product, if you want to sell a service, if you want to advertise an event, if you want to market a course, there are a lot of things. So this is not free. Actually, this is not free. This will cost you $23 for the yearly plan or the $29 for the monthly plan. Okay, so this is not cheap, okay, or it's not free. And the second one, or the best one in my opinion, is FlexPress. In FlexPress you can find thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of videos of video ads in this platform. You can find a lot of them, 30-second ones, 45-second ones. If you want to do a text-to-speech video ad, if you want to some sport ads or something like that, there are a lot of ads here, a lot of ads that you can just tweak them yourself. You can just edit them yourself your way and put them in your Fiverr gig and start selling them. You can start with $5 and then you can increase the price after that. What you should know, guys, is so you can find a lot of ads here. Okay, you can use the free plan, but I won't recommend this because the free plan, guys, I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you why you should not use the free plan. Okay, so those are the plans, guys: the free plan, the personal plan, the expert, professional, and enterprise. So the free plan is resolution is only 360p, which is very bad. But take a look at this. The personal, you have 1080p, which is Full HD, so this is great. So you can start with the personal plan with Full HD or the expert plan, but I would just suggest to start with the free plan. It's not expensive, it's super cheap. You can just start with $0.83, okay, which is 83 cents if you pay for the yearly plan, or $3.49 for the monthly plan. Okay, so this is actually awesome. This is super cheap for what you're gonna make. Okay, so you can just rely on FlexPress or the other one, yeah, whatever, it's your choice. So this is super amazing, and I'm super excited for this plan, guys, because you can make a ton of money from it. And I'm going to show you why I said that. If you go here to Fiverr, let's go back to Fiverr and let me show you why I'm super excited and I'm suggesting this, guys, because this is really good. This is really good. In the first page, you take a look at the first page. So this is the first page. You're gonna see that a lot of people are making money. All of them are making money. Okay, all of them. And let's go to the 10th page. And in the 10th page, you're gonna see the same thing. Okay, the same exact thing. So take a look at this: 36 order, 4 orders, 10 orders. So people are making money even if you're in the 10th page, guys. So this is actually amazing. So that is if you only don't want to make money online. So start with this. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.